Perpetual Income 365, my honest review. Hi all, hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be doing some research on the Perpetual Income 365 software. In today's video, I'm going to give you my honest review about this product, as I have reviewed it and watched the videos. I will give you the advantages and disadvantages and my honest opinion about this application. After my review, you might decide you want to skip this and not sign up for this program, but you will have the option to make your own decision, as I'm only stating my own opinion about this product. I'm dr.Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide various content videos, tutorials, and reviews just like this to help you build your successful online business. If you're looking for an honest and sustainable online business, then click the link below this video to follow a proven, beginner-friendly blueprint to start making money online today that works for me. If this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell that you do not miss out on content like this. Now let's begin. This is all about the Netflix data scientist and how he is using the same Netflix strategy to make a lot of money. There are two videos that you will have to look at when you sign up. It is very emotional. You want to feel sorry for this guy. He's using a very interesting angle, basically following the Netflix strategy. They never really tell you what's the secret. They only mention it and making consistent income, and is using paid traffic to do this. He is explaining how they will help you to make money online using the same strategy as Netflix. Now this is the sales page. As I mentioned, there's one video here about 10 minutes that you have to watch. Then you will get instant access. Now here is the Netflix MCCA that they discuss, but they never really mention what is the secret. M stands for micro commitment, C consistency, the other C compounding, and A, they use the algorithm of this. And this is all that I could find out about this secret that they're talking about. So here we're in the second page after you signed up, and here is the other video that you will have to watch, also about 10 minutes. As I said, it's very emotional and it's touching all the points that make me feel sorry for the poor guy. The other thing, here is all that you get once you're now in the members area. There's upsales, 3, and they cost quite a lot. I think number one is about $250 and the others also around $200. So whatever you do, I would not talk about this and say get involved. Now when you're inside the members area, it's very user-friendly and it's very straight to the point. You can see easy what you have to do. You can join the Facebook community, which they have and which is very active. And here, the red dots, you can see, of course, the upsales. So you can't use these programs if you don't upsell to them. Now, the owners of Perpetual Income 365 teaching this supposed to be new strategy. They're using a different angle, but essentially it's a new way as they mention it. But they sell a very old strategy that has been on the internet for ages. They're just selling affiliate marketing, but name it different. Now, if you sign up for this program, it's a $47 per month. So $47 per month you will pay. And as you can see, this is some of the money pages. And don't miss the upsells in the side again. Now, let me tell you exactly what you will be getting if you decide to invest in this product. This program on application teaches you affiliate marketing and how to use ClickBank. If you do not know what it is, it's a very big affiliate marketplace where you can get any product to sell and you get your links there so that you can make money. So after you signed up for this, the app will make a landing page for you, but this do not mean that you will be getting high conversions. They just make the landing page for you and you connect your ClickBank product link to the landing page, and then you will buy solo ads and send them to your landing page. Now they will teach you how to buy solo ads. Now for me, this is the biggest problem with this strategy. Anyone teaches this strategy has no idea how to market properly and use genuine, real, good quality humans to drive their traffic to. As you can see, you can buy solo ads. They show you here $80 for 100 clicks, $140 for 200 clicks, $210 for 300 clicks, and for 500 clicks you pay $350. Now, if you buy solo ads, as a beginner, solo ads is very difficult to understand. With solo ads, it's very, very difficult to make a profit by only using solo ads, especially, as I said, if you're a newbie. I really don't like solo ads to use for my income, so this is already a problem for me looking at this product. You can go to Udemy to buy solo ads, and this is what they're offering you. All these people are doing, they're reselling you the opportunity to promote an offer to their email list. There are hundreds of people there with different ratings which you can use. There are a lot of different marketers on the website that sell solo ads to you. These people have long email databases of thousands of people. This is usually low quality, and a third, maybe more, even half of the people that will click are robots, not even real human beings. So they will sell you the 500 clicks for $350, and they will take your ClickBank offer and they will promote it to their database. As I have been doing this previously, and I was taught this worked, and I found out it did not work. I never had any profit with this. I might have had 2, 3, maybe 4 sales, but it never came out that I made profit. I can tell you, solo ads is one of the worst ways to build your business. This model, as they said, they use a new angle on a very, very old strategy. But if you go into the back end and into this program, they're not teaching you anything new. You're using the same strategy that has been out on the internet for a long time. Because this is such an old strategy, it doesn't work anymore. You cannot just send people to a link permanently and expect that they will buy from you. This doesn't work. The source of traffic which is used is very old. Even if you can make a few sales, the source of traffic is not very reliable. It's one of the lowest quality resources to use for internet marketing. I have been using this and I definitely didn't make any money. If I look at my own scenario, if you bombard me with different offers, I might click on one, maybe two, but if I see this is like spammy offers, I don't even open them. So what are they doing? All the newbies signing up with this pay for the solo ads, and the person who designed this get the traffic for free. The person who has designed the system, he makes money as we send emails to him. He gets the emails and the sales. The newbies do the work and pay for the solo ads. Clever, won't you say? As I explained, solo ads, you buy solo ads, you get the clicks. They go to an opt-in page. They might sell to the sales page, or you will keep the email. But as I said, very low quality and not really reliable. So even sending emails here won't say that you will have people buying and you will have money coming in. You will have one or two sales, but that's it. So the guy who thought of this is Sean Joshua. And he's saying he's a successful 7-figure internet entrepreneur. Which of course, if I look at the strategy and I look how it's planned, I would believe so. Because everybody signing up is making him the 7-figure internet entrepreneur. Because we lose the money if we sign up, and he is making the money. So let's look at the advantages and the disadvantages of this app and what you're going to get. First, when you sign up, they have a very low cost at the moment, but after that you will pay your $47 per month. Now, advantages. You're going to get training on how to choose ClickBank products. It's very beginner friendly and easy, as I showed you. You're getting the software that builds the landing page, but remember, it cannot be downloaded to your computer. So this is positive plus negative. And you will get the email set up. Then they will teach you how to buy solo ads from Udemy. They have a Facebook group that's very active. You will see people saying that it's very easy to make money. Some would say it's extremely difficult to grow the business, but they will mention they had sales and they got some money in. Number 5, you have 4 bonuses that come in for free. But I think this is already planned and it's already paid for. Then the last positive thing is they have an email support, and that is nice. If you get stuck, they will be there to answer your emails to get you to buy more solo ads. Because the more they help you, the more you will buy and continue making money for the designers. So this is it for the advantages. Now, for the disadvantages if you sign up. I think and I see a sneaky way of selling this as if it's a new product, which it is not. And this have been out for a long time in the internet. The conversion rate is very low, and you must look at your return of income when you buy solo ads. Even if you make sales, you still lose money because you're not profitable in what you're doing. The next point, they only allow GetResponse as an email marketing platform in this program to build your customer base. I saw some affiliate links in the program, and I can imagine that GetResponse could also be one of them. Another affiliate link that I saw was Udemy, where they send you to buy their solo ads. So they're making money on this already when you have to sign up or buy solo ads. So another income for the developer. Then, the big red flag that I was seeing when I saw they have 7 upsells. Yes, you heard me right, 7. You should be able to be successful with your basic entry level, and the upsell should be there to support you to grow faster. But with 7 upsells, this should ring a bell that something is wrong. Why must you buy 7 upsells? And as I mentioned, the 3 that I could see cost over $200 each. So how much money is out of your pocket? I think 7 is crazy. This will take money from your pocket, and you will never make it back. The only person who really makes money out of this, lots of money, is the guy who came up with the strategy. He's collecting money and not paying anything. Now, the next point. There's only a digital format, and you cannot download this app to your computer. So you need to be on the internet to work on this app. The other thing, you can only promote one product from the front end. They have to do more customization if you want to promote anything else. So they make sure that you can only promote the product that they sell to you. If you want a successful business that is sustainable and really trustable, I would expect you to generate your own high quality traffic. You will be able to build a relationship with the people, and they will trust you. 7 of them, and the list that you will get and build is very low quality and unreliable. If you're really committed to take the next step, if you are looking for an honest and sustainable online business, then click on the link below to follow a proven, beginner-friendly blueprint to start making money online today. I'm following this strategy, and I've been in this business for a few years, and I know solo ads is not the answer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and click the bell, and you will receive a notification when one of my new videos is available. Please leave comments, requests for topics, and your questions in the comment box below, and I will come back to you personally and create a video with your requested topic. See you in my next video on the other side of the screen.